What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video with your boy Ike. And today we back with another reaction video, man. Today we reacting to Elvis Presley, Mystery Train, Tiger Man, August 1970, man. That's really crazy. 1970. That was 29 years before I was born. Crazy. But before we get in this reaction, man, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, because we is on the road to 6K, man. Make sure you hit that bell so you can be notified every time I drop another video. Follow me on those socials, man. And without further ado, let's get into this reaction. Oh yeah, they like Vegas, huh? Oh, he in Vegas, huh? I see all them lights. I need to go back to Vegas. I went to Vegas one time when I was 13, back in 2013. And then I couldn't really do nothing, you know. But it's crazy because at the age of 13, I was still able to go through the casinos. You know what I mean? I just couldn't play games and get no alcohol, of course. You know what I mean? But that's crazy. Because, like, I'm from Louisiana. You're not 21 or older. You can't get in no casinos. You can't get in no clubs. You can't do nothing. In Vegas, any age, you can do anything. That's why they say what happened in Vegas stays in Vegas. Oh, they was crying to see Elvis. You saw she was teared up. Watch. I can hold him so I can help you capture it. Oh yeah, look. They was really crying to see Elvis. That's crazy. That's the impact the king had on the real.
16.
Hey, nah, look, I like the music video. Like, whoever made the music video, they did like a good elite job. And how they did like every day. Look at it. They got from a lot of his performances, live performances, and they added the performance that he doing live with a song. And like, look at the editing. Look how they got everything moving. Like, watch when he was dancing. Like, look how they got everything. Hey, look, like that. It really, this video, why I say I like this video, it really shows the funny side of Elvis. It shows how much impact he had on the crowd, man, on the world. It showed how funny he was. It showed that he actually, you know, engaged with the audience. He went on a kissing spree, man. Ain't nobody else can go on a kissing spree while the woman's husband is sitting right next to him. They running to get up to go kiss Elvis. It ain't on the cheek. We talking about lip action. He the king of the jungle. He called. We know you the king. We know you the king. Come on, man. Hey. Man, Elvis was lit. I'm the king of the jungle. They call me Tiger. Start going dumb lights flickering out. Hey, man. Hey, come on, man. Hey, look at the elite too. Look at the elite. Watch.
I get a
Hey, man, hey. Nah, he went crazy in that performance. He went, this is the most lit I ever seen Elvis in a performance. Bro. Nah. We started. Nah, bro, that performance was lit, huh? That's the most lit I ever seen Elvis. Bro, that's the litest I ever seen Elvis. Hey, man. Y'all ain't telling me about this one. I had to find this one on my own. Now, y'all can't see y'all comment this down below because y'all didn't, man. I ain't find this in the comments. I found this on my own. So don't see it. Y'all did this. I found this song. You know what I mean? I found this performance. I'm going to take credit for this one. It wasn't y'all. This was me. This was me. Y'all ain't, it's just, y'all ain't telling me this one in the comments, man. Y'all try to hide this one from me. I see how it is. I see how it is, man. It's cool, though. It's cool. Even though you held it from me, I'm not gonna do the same thing. I'm not gonna hold it from you. If you want to check the full video, the link to the video gonna be down in the description below, man. If you enjoyed this reaction, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel because we're on the road to 6K, man. Hit that bell so you be notified every time I drop another video. Follow me on the socials. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next one, man. Peace.